This is like a hinge joint on a door, so I'm just trying to loosen it up. That's all I'm trying to do.
Okay.
All right? Might sting a little bit, but just trying to loosen it up. You're a little bony, so you might feel it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Lift up your leg, please. Back down. Good. That's a little bit better. And just relax here. It's not going to hurt. Okay, no problem with that?
No.
Good. To the other side. Good. We go right inside here. Good. Just breathe in for me really deep, Marshall. All the way out. And just relax a little bit. Good. Excellent. Just breathe in really deep again. And all the way out. Cool. Just bend this leg in. And I'm going to turn you a little bit. Just like that. And just rest your head nice and easy. You might feel like you're going to fall. You won't, I promise.
Okay.
Just let your hips just drop forward. Just like that. Just going to try to get that right inside there. Breathe all the way out if you can. Let it go. Good. Go on the other side. Just like that. And relax. Okay, let your hips just roll forward a little bit if you can. That's a little tighter inside there. Yeah, it's tight. Breathing in for me really deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Got it. Come lay right on your back, face up. And bend your knees. Good. Awesome. Awesome. All right, so let's just take your legs, squeeze your knees together. Separate. And one more time, squeeze. Good. Bring this down and relax this leg. Just relax this leg. Good. Just let it go. Good. There we go. And right here. Oh, tighten that hip. Wow, wow.
Yeah.
See if we can open it up a little bit. Good. Did you feel that movement? Yeah.
The pop that I can't do.
Yeah. Let this leg go off the table. Stretch you out a little bit. Good. Bring this back up. Bring this down. I got it. Good. Just let it go inside here. A little more. Good. Let that drop down. Good. Just let it go. Nice. Just going to go up. Off the table. That's even tighter.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. It's really tight, Marshall.
I know, it's not
Yeah,
good.
man.
I got the body of a 50-year-old man.
Well, bring this leg back up. Good, let this go. You can just open up that hip a little bit. There you go. Good. Relax your ankle. Just breathe in really deep. And breathe all the way out. Good. 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 Just going to bring you right inside here. Just relax. Lock you in there. I only do this to the people that I like. Lift up your head nice and easy. Come right back down. And rest your head nice and easy. So what I want you to do is relax, breathe nice and easy. That's what I want you to do. You're going to feel a little pressure, a little tug. All right? Just traction out the neck a little bit. Just to kind of open it up a little bit. So just breathe in really deep for me if you can. All right? Just kind of let it go. Good.
That was a good one.
Yeah. Easy. Breathe in and out nice and deep. How's it feel?
Feels good. loosen up a little bit.
So you feel it all the way down your spine or just in the neck?
Stops like towards the top of my spine.
Oh, okay. You got a lot of compression inside there.
Yeah.
Slide up a little bit. Cool. A little bit more? Right about there. Good. Just relax, nice and easy. Good. Good. So again, just focus on your breathing, nice and easy, okay? Try to relax all these muscles. I'm just going to gently stretch. I'm going to stretch just to kind of open up the whole joint inside there. You're going to feel a little movement in there. Come back. How'd that go?
It was a good one.
Good. Excellent.
Felt it pretty good.
All right. We're going to do one more. Right in there. Same thing, just relax nice and easy. Focus on your breathing. Just going to put a gentle stretch in here, really slow. Yeah. All the way to the end where the muscle gets tight. You hear a little pop inside there. Good. A little bit more. And then come back here.
Ooh,
How'd that go?
that was a good one.
All right. Come sit up for a moment. I'm going to work on your shoulders. Legs right over there. Over there. Yep, stay right there. Cool. Almost done. Turn your head to the left towards Jules. All right, just going to do a little tapping. Look straight ahead, please. Just like that. Good. Just loosening up your shoulders. Same concept with the hips. Just trying to loosen them up before I adjust. Good. Turn the head to the right. Yeah. Just like that. Nice and easy. Straight ahead, please. Just relax. Good. You ever been tapped before?
I think a couple times on my back, but
Yeah?
not like this. No. Seems like you probably know what you're doing a lot more than the other chiropractors that I've been to.
Take that arm going now.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to ask you to pull your elbow back in a second, okay?
Okay.
Pull it back. Good, just relax. Let's try the other side. I'll tell you when to pull back in a second.
All right.
Pull back. And relax. Yeah, your shoulders are tight. Really tight. You hunch forward a little bit too much. So relax your arm. We're going to do this a little bit differently.
Okay.
Let it drop now, nice and easy. Just going to go out. I'm going to go in with it. Just like that. Take this side. Same thing. Just kind of let it drop. Just going to go out and in. Okay, let it go. Good. Going to work on your elbow now. Let this go. Good. Let the wrist just relax. Good. Let it go. This hand, just let it go, nice and easy. Good. Try to move that wrist a little bit. Done. Okay, almost done. Loosen up your muscles a little bit.
Oh yeah, I like those things.
Yeah. Things are like magic. done. There you go, sir.
Oh yeah, feel good.
Good stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, walk around. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.